Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? Hope you are good at home. Don't waste your time in playing. Complete your missing work and do practice of exercises as well. Now tell me class what we have revised in our last lesson. Good. We'll revise about perimeter and area. Now tell me class what is perimeter? Good. Perimeter is the boundary of closed shape. For example, we have figure, we have a rectangle. So boundary of this shape is called perimeter. Perimeter. Tell me Burhan, what is the formula of perimeter? Good. The formula of perimeter is 2 length plus breadth. 2 multiply length plus breadth. Tell me Haris, how will derive this formula? Good. In this figure we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So according to this figure we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. L plus L which is equal to 2L plus B plus B which is equal to 2B. If we will take 2 as common, so L plus B. So this is our formula of perimeter. After this, we will revise about area. Anyone have idea about area? Tell me boys, what is area? Good. Area. If we have figure, if we have rectangle, inside space of the shape is called area. Anyone tell me about the formula of area? Tell me Abdul Basit, what is the formula of area? Good. The formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. Look at this figure class, in which one we have length and one is breadth. If we multiply these two measurements, then we give the area. For example, if we have a figure in which length is 6 cm and breadth is 10 cm, if we have to find the area of this shape, then first we will write the formula of area. Formula of area is length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length in this rectangle? Good, 6 cm. And what is the breadth in this rectangle? 10 cm. So the area of this rectangle is 60 centimeter squares. After this, we will revise our unit number 5, which is measurements. So anyone have idea about measurements? Tell me Hari, what is measurement? Good. Previously we learned that length is a measure of how long something is. The most commonly used unit of length are meter, centimeter and kilometer. We must use appropriate unit for measuring length of different objects. For example, the length of rectangle table can be measured in meters. So first we have unit of length. Then we have kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now let us learn about kilometer, which is used to measure long distances. For example, a distance between Karachi and Hyderabad is 162 kilometer, and the distance between Lahore and Mysore is 59 kilometer. So kilometer is used to measure long distances. Similarly, next we have meter, and the next is meter. While a dining table length of piece of cloth or a carpet will be measured in meters, similarly centimeter is used to measure small things like book. So now let's have a look on conversion of units of length. To convert larger units to smaller units, we always multiply the larger unit with the conversion factor. For example, if we convert kilometer into meter, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now let's have a look on questions. Conversion. Our first question is 49 किलोमीटर into मीटर. अब हमने 49 किलोमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करना है. So as we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if we convert 49 kilometer into meter, first we write 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 49 kilometer is equal to 49 multiplied by 1000 meter. Now we multiply this. 9 1 the 9, 4 0 0, 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 4 1 the 4. So the answer is 49,000. So 49 kilometer is equal to 49,000 meter. So this is the pattern how to convert kilometer into meter. If we have, let's have a look at another example. If we have 28 kilometer 20 meter into meter. So as we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 28, first we convert kilometer into meter because we have two different units, kilometer and meter. So first we convert bigger units into smaller unit and then we'll add by 20. 28 kilometer which is equal to 28 multiplied by 1000 meter. Again we multiply 1000 with 28. 800, 800, 800, 8 1 the 8, 200, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 and 2. So this is 28,000 meter. After conversion kilometer to meter, we see we have 20 meter here. So we add these two measurements, 28 meter zero 2082. After addition of same units, we have 28 kilometer 20 meter is equal to 280 meter, 28,020 meter. So this is the method how to convert kilometer into meter. If we have 28 kilometer and 20 meters, so first we convert bigger unit into smaller unit and then add these two's length. Tell me, Shahan, what is the unit of length? Good. Kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. How to convert kilometer into meter? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so we simply multiply that quantity with 1000. So now let's have a look on another example in which we convert meter into centimeter. In which we convert meter into centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So our first question is we convert 100 meter into centimeter. So as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and if we convert 100 meter into centimeter, then simply we will multiply with 100. So 100 meter is equal to 100 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So we'll multiply 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0, 0. Multiply 0 second term and multiply with third term. 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 and 0. So we have now we have 100 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeter. So this is a method of conversion how to convert meter into centimeter. So now let's have a look at another example in which we convert 12 meter 20 centimeter into centimeter. Similarly, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 12 meter is equal to 12 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Now we multiply it. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 1s are 1. After addition we have 1200. So 12 meter is equal to 1200 centimeter. Now look at the question again, class. 12 meter and 20 centimeter. First we convert meter into centimeter. After we add these two lengths because these are the same units. So 1200 centimeter and 20 centimeter. After adding, we have 12 meter 20 centimeter is equal to 1220 centimeter. So this is a method how to convert meter into centimeter. Next we convert centimeter into millimeter. Our next conversion is centimeter into millimeter. Centimeter into millimeter. So for converting centimeters into millimeters, we have a question. centimeter to millimeter. Similarly, from the previous method, as we know, one centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if we convert 20 centimeter into millimeter, we simply multiply 20 with 10. Now we multiply 20 with 10. So we have 200. So 20 centimeter is equal to 200 millimeter. 20 centimeter into millimeter, as we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So if we convert 20 centimeter into millimeter, we simply multiply with 10. So we have 200 millimeters. Now let's have a look on another example in which we have 100 centimeter 20 millimeter into, we convert it into millimeter. Similarly, as we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. First we convert centimeter into millimeter. First we convert bigger unit into smaller unit. So for this, 100 centimeter is equal to 100 multiplied by 10 millimeter. 100, 10, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. So our answer is 1000 millimeter. If we convert 100 centimeter into millimeter, we simply multiply by with 10 and we get our answer is 1000 millimeter. So first we convert centimeter, 100 centimeter into millimeter, and then we will add with 20 millimeter, because after conversion we have 1000 millimeter and our next unit is 20 millimeter. So we will add same same lengths. So this is a method how to convert unit of length into different measurements. Now for example, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 centimeter. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This is our today's lesson. If you have any query or question regarding this lesson, we will discuss on Monday inshallah, and you will try this question at home. Okay, Allah Hafiz class.